Welcome to the first ever Atlas Copco Compressors Water Walk.
Okay, we had a great event today in Rock Hill, and we carried these jugs to raise awareness for Water for All effort. This is literally what too many people in the world have to go and fetch and carry long distances every morning to get clean drinking water for their kids and for their family and for their villages. So Water for All is a great project that was started by Atlas Copco, and we just want to increase the awareness and get everybody to think about making a small contribution, participating in our project Water for All.